Are you doing this? Are you twisting yourself up like this? Stop! My name is Dr. Vicente. Don't do that. Share if you care, like, subscribe. I have some important information for you. You cannot adjust your own spine properly. I'm a doctor of chiropractic and I have to see a chiropractor just to move the ones that are stuck. That's what you want out of a doctor of chiropractic. You don't practice your own dentistry, do you? Don't try to do your own spine. It just messes things up. Just because it pops doesn't mean you did the right thing. Just because it feels better momentarily doesn't mean you're not creating havoc in your spine, making matters worse. And if you see people doing this stuff all day long, beg them to see a doctor of chiropractic to get it checked out. There's a vertebra that's not moving properly. And if someone moves that bone, it will free you up at your core. It'll take pressure off the nervous system and you'll become healthier for it. If you're struggling out there, you need help, I'll check you out for free. It's that important. Give me a call, 303-394-2273. And meanwhile, cut that stuff out.